So client server is nothing but, so they have to communicate between the server and client. So whatever we are requesting, so from the server we have to get it the message. That is what the program says. Write a Java program which uses the datagram socket from the client for the client server. So datagram is nothing but the messages sending from source to destination or destination to source. So now here is what the question is nothing but write a Java program which uses the datagram socket for a client server. So client server, for a client and server you have to use. So now here we have to write two programs separately. One is nothing but client server, another one is nothing but the server client. One is client, another one is called the server. So both the programs you need to write separately. So first one is nothing but I have written called here server program. Next one is nothing but the client program. So now you here whenever you are doing network programs, you should know the port numbers. So local host port numbers and server port numbers, default some of the port numbers you will be getting in the net, and you should know that port numbers. These numbers, if you write it the port numbers wrong, your program will not be working in the examination. So now let us see here, import java.net. So network communication is required from the client and server, so that is the reason network is required. So import java.input output star. So input output is nothing but your datagram you are using, that is the reason input output also required here. So now public class simple client we have taken, just one message we are passing, we are requesting one message from the client, server. So from the client we are requesting one message to the server. So server will be sending the message. That's it. So server, it will display there only messages. That's it. So now let us see how it will be working. What code we have written. So as you know, the people public static void main string arguments throws exception. So open the bracket, try socket s1 is equal to new socket localhost. So whatever you are using the system is called the local host. So for that IP address is nothing but 1254 default values we are putting. So this you have to search it in the net local host. What is the IP address? You will be getting there also. So local host port number, this one is called 1254 is called the port. So now you are creating one object for the socket. So socket S1 is equal to new socket S1. Okay. So new socket S1. Tell others to also join. So just put the message class Java class started. Please join for the Java class. You put message in your group. Let them join it. Okay. So now, so socket S1, because laboratory programs, what will happen? Suppose if 2 lines, 3 lines, explanation over later, you will not understand anything. That is the problem. So you have to join from the beginning. Then only you can understand something. Okay. So socket S1 is equal to new socket local host 1234. This is nothing but the IP address. IP address of this one. Now what I'm doing is input stream in. So we are creating one object S1 dot get input stream. S1 dot get input stream. Yeah, get input stream is nothing but, so you are creating one more object for the this one for the local host for the socket. So input stream S1 in is equal to S1 dot get input stream. Based on this, based on the local stream, you are taking the one input stream. Now what you will be doing is data input stream din is equal to new data input stream data in. So whatever local host we are creating, so we have to request something information. So for that we will be writing data input stream din is equal to new data input stream of in. So data input stream, once you do this, now string st is equal to new string of, so din read.utf. Read.utf is nothing but data. Now we'll finish this data input stream and is equal to new data input stream of in. So whenever you are requesting this from the local host, it will go to the server. So server, what will happen here? What same thing, import java.net, because client and server communication it is required. Maybe one is the local host. In this program what we are doing, just for understanding purpose how it will be happening client and server, so we are writing in the same system only client server communication. So That is the reason client server. Otherwise, what will happen? Client will be one place and server will be one place. So you can request some messages to client. So client to server will be responding whatever you have requested. So here, for our understanding purpose, what we are doing, we are writing same programs, client also in the same system, server also same system. So now that is the reason net anyway, this is nothing but network is required for the client server communication. So for that we have written java.net.star. So next one is nothing but import java.io.star. So input output. So this is nothing but the input stream and output stream. Now import java.utility packages. So now let us come to the program public static void main string arguments. Now try catch you can put it. So because try catch is nothing but it is required here. Why it is required means some actually any connections or mismatch or the port numbers if it is wrong, catch will be displaying. Otherwise, try will be executing. Now let us see here how they have written the code. Now output stream out is equal to, because their input stream you have taken, this is nothing but the out. So there you are requesting in, this is nothing but the messages you are passing out, output stream you are using. So output stream out is equal to S1 for first what you have done, server you are creating the object. So for that port number is nothing but 1254 here. So here is 1254. So this number should be the same 1254 and 1254 port numbers. So once you return server socket 1254, so now socket you are creating one socket S1 is equal to S1 dot accept. So whatever you are from the client you are requesting, so that should be accepted here. So once it is accepted, output stream out is equal to S1 dot get output stream. So you are taking the get output stream because from the server whatever it is there, it is ready to send the messages, get output stream. Now data output stream T is equal to new data output stream of out, whatever it is ready that you will be making. So output stream will be ready. That means what? Informations to send purpose it is ready. Now T dot write UTF of message from the server. Message from the server. So that means what T dot write means. So you are from the client you are requested something. This one it is taken the acceptancy. Now for our understanding purpose, T dot write dot UTF message from the server. So that means it is working for our reference purpose message from the server. Now UTF is nothing but, so this you might have learned it in where Unix also you have learned, and web also you might have learned it. UTF format is that is nothing but the one format. So for example, web pages and all you are taking means, so there that the informations, web pages, rows and columns, all these things they have done it in the UTF format. So that is the reason we are taking UTF file. So UTF if you write it, it will work for all the formats whatever in the web pages are there. So normally client server communications whenever you are doing web pages related only we are downloading. So all these things they have done it in the UTF format. That is the reason we will be writing UTF. So here just we are anyway for client server communication for understanding purpose we are writing the simple code. Just that is the reason we are writing the message from the server. So once it is message from the server, T dot close. T dot close means whatever you have requested from there, so the input stream you have requested, so that it is taken the informations and you are giving the message from the server. That means server is working. So next is you are closing this T dot close, out dot close, S1 dot close. So now exception is nothing but if something goes wrong, this one will be working here. So now let us, this is what the server is nothing but what you are requesting, client is requesting something. So that one you are taking, it is called the here you are accepting first, and once it is accepting that you are creating the output stream for that. So it is ready. So server is ready to send the messages. That is the reason you are making the output stream here. And once it is ready, that output you are making it to the ready output stream is ready to send it. So just we are displaying the message T dot out write UTF message from the server. So now once you do this, now up to here. So now what will happen? String st is equal to new string of, so din read utf. So whatever you're sending the message, what you are sending the message from the server. So message from the server, here it will be displaying. So string a system dot out dot println est. So that means what? Whatever you are taking, whatever you are getting the information from the server, means you are requesting information from the server. So from server, what it will do? It will send the message to client. So once you are getting the message, so that is nothing but the string st is equal to new string of bin. That is nothing but the object output. It will be stored into the data input stream. It will be in the read.utf format. Once it is stored here, now you can print it for my reference purpose. System.out.println st. So once you print this, you close all the messages. That means what? When you are creating the socket, data input stream in s1.get input stream, once you do this, it will be requesting the server. So server, what it will do there? It will create one point socket. So once it is created the socket, then it will be whatever you are requesting there, so that it will be again sending to client only. Once it is sending the client, now you take it and store it to somewhere, that is called the object st. Now you print it, that is called the st. So that is nothing but the message from the server. You got the message that you are displaying it here. So next is din.close, next is in.close, next is s1.close. Whatever you are created the object, that is nothing but the socket 2. Next is in is nothing but the data input stream, and another one is called the informations of the messages that you are closing this. Now what will happen? Catch exception e system.out.println. So now you will be displaying that, and you are coming out of that one. Catch is, you know that. So just now see here how to run is nothing but Java simple server dot Java dot simple server. So this is one. You have to make it ready first server. Next you create one more window. You have to open one more window because two programs are there. Anyway, normally whatever we are using servers, that is 24 hours will be running. So here is when for our understanding purpose we are writing the client and server how it will be working. So now what you have to do is server you have to run it separately and client should be running separately. So now once you do this, so now you have to run the server also. So Java server is the way of running is nothing but this one, Java simple server dot Java server. Once it is running, you will be go to another terminal, and once you go to another terminal, you have to client program also you need to run it. So Java C simple client dot Java you are compiling. Next you have to run it, Java dot simple client. Once you do this, message from the server. So whatever sending the messages from the server to client, then it will come to the client, and client it will be displaying there in the, that is whatever you have received the data. That is nothing but the normally maximum web pages will be UTF format. That is the reason we'll normally web related pages whenever you are doing UTF only. So this you have learned it in Unix also, somewhere it will come, and web also it will come UTF formats. So that is what the client server communication in Java. We have simple program here. Just server is sending the message, this message from the client. That is, even if you want, you can write it here system.out.println, just requesting message from the client. Just you write it for your understanding purpose. That also will be displayed it here. So this is what the last program, and one more program I need to explain, that is called the chessboard. So now chessboard is nothing but just see the output here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there. So 8 boxes are there. Now count it like this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now 8 into 8, how much? 64. So 64 boxes is required. So one box height you need to display it, and one box white should be displayed. Another box is nothing but the block. Next is white block, white block, white block. Once it is finished, here end with the block. Next, it will again start with the block. So otherwise, if you go like this column wise, first one is white, next one is the block. Next is white, next block. That way also. So here after displaying block, next row when you are going here block only. So black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white. Again, next row when you are going, you have to display the white only. So like this you have to display here. So now this is nothing but the applet programs. So now let us come to the here is, so whenever you are running the programs, AWT is required, window is required, AWT is required. So Sphinx also is required to run this program because you are creating the panel, all those things. Now you import java.utilities packages. Now public class demo chess extend the JF frame. So a JF frame is nothing but frames are available in this one AWT and Sphinx packages. We are just extending from this one. So that is nothing but the frame. So I want to create the frame for this, for the chessboard. So one frame I have to create it. In that I have to arrange the colors. That is what they extended from the frame. So now that is what the advantages, because no need to create any panel for us. Just extend that one using that items. We can utilize the directly the variables here. So now J layer panel is equal to, that is nothing but the this one. So J layer red panel LP. So J panel is equal to chessboard. Now we are creating one object for the panel. So for that J panel is nothing but the chessboard. Now we are creating the one chessboard for this. Now J label is equal to chess piece. So we are creating the chess piece. It is display. Actually, when you are running here, it will display chess piece. So demo chess piece like this, it will display it here also. That window is not visible here. So that name is called the that one. So once you do this, what will happen? J label chess piece. Now public demo space. Now we have to create the chessboard. So for that, how to create is nothing but just I'll come to the main program here. Public static void means string argument. J frame, that is nothing but the your class name. That is nothing but the demo space is there. So J frame you have to create it. For that extended name will be taken here. So that is what this one. J frame JF is equal to new demo chess. New demo chess is nothing but the class name. So this extends, there is not the packages, this is not the interfaces here. So here is direct, sorry, this is not the interfaces, directly we are using from the package. So built-in package we are using, that is the reason JS frame is equal to demo chess. That is what this statement we are writing here. So direct from the packages we are using the frame. We have to create the frame automatically. They have written the code, just use that methods, that's it. Now JF set default close operations. So we have to close operations. What type of operations we will do? It is nothing but dispose on close. So on dispose on close is nothing but it should display it when you are closing that, it should close it that one. Next is J if there is nothing but the object name that pack. You have to colors in that frame. You have to pack it which one you want. So that is what explanation I'll tell you next. So that one. Next is if set releasable is nothing but the true. So releasable is nothing but the always it should be the true. So then only it will be visible that one. Now if that set visible is true. So if you write it false, that with that visibility will not be there, block white, all these things. So that is the reason you have to make it true. Set resizable also true. So resizable is nothing but once it is clicked that one. So just I want to like this drag it. Is it is increasable? Yes. Is it decreasable? Yes. So that is what the set resizable. So once you create this, according to your this one, you can make it resizable. So that is what this one. Now let us go for the packing here. When it is creating this one is nothing but the chessboard, how it will be working now. So now, so demo chess. So here is now yours is you have written the constructor for this initialization, how it will be happening. Let us see this one. Now dimension BC is equal to dimensions. BC is equal to new dimension of BC 600 600. So that frame height and width is nothing but I have created equally 600 to 600 pixels. So now LP is equal to new JP layer of pan. So layer of the pan is nothing but, so whatever you have create, you have to create one panel for this. So dimension is nothing but 600 600. You are reserved for your monitor screen. In that how to create one panel. So that is what the JP is equal to new LJ layered panel is nothing but once you call this method, automatically it will be created one panel here. Now LP is nothing but this one. Set preferenceable size is nothing but BC. So background color you have to set it preferred color size. So next is nothing but LP dot add chessboard. Chessboard is nothing but this one and the object name of this one. So that is nothing but to the panel. So now we have to enter to the panel. In that panel, how to block it? Some of the blocks is red, some of the blocks is white. So we need to create for that black and white, black and white, black and white. I have to create it. For that one is nothing but this one. So add chessboard this one. Now is nothing but chessboard set the grid size. So grids is nothing but that grid is nothing but you have to add it. So for example, I can say this is called one grid now. So now this is one grid and this is one grid. So now this is total length is nothing but how much? 64 is there. In this you have divided into the 8. So that means what? Is 64 divided by 8 is nothing but 8. So 8 grid size is nothing but white grid is 8, black grid is 8. That is what this one. Now let us come to this one. So chessboard set layout size in the panel. So new grid layout 8, 8. So one size is nothing but 8 by 8. So total is 64 by 64. In that one row is nothing but 8 by 8. One layout is nothing but one grid is nothing but 8 by 8 white. Next 8 by 8 is black. So that way you have to fill the colors and you have to move it. So that is called the grid. 8 by 8 you have created. Now chessboard set the bounds 0 to 0. So location is nothing but the starting to location you are taking 0 0. Now BC dot width and BC dot height. So BC is nothing but you have created the dimensions of this one. In that 600 dimensions. So the grid layout. So starting from the 0 to 0, 8 by 8, I will be creating one grid. So like this, I will be moving this one. Once you know this, now this loop is nothing, just filling the colors, that's it. So now if you have any doubt, please let me know this one. So this is nothing but the first what you have to do, you have to create the layout. So once you create the layout, what you have to do, that is called you have to panel. So that is nothing but the panel. So dimensions is nothing but 600 to 600. In that 600, you have to add the panel. Once you add the panel, so that is nothing but the preferable size. That is nothing but the panel size you are setting into this one. So whatever dimensions you have created, based on that you are setting. So the automatically that frame 6 by 600 it will be displayed. That is what this one. The LP dot set preferable size is nothing but the this one. So this is nothing but the panel. Once you create this panel, so that it automatically set the size for that. So in that, what you have to do, you have to create the 8 by 8 grid. So that 8 by 8 grid is nothing but potentially will be starting 0 to 0. Now BC dot in that panel, BC dot width and BC dot height, one grid will be setting out. Now I told you this I is equal to int I is equal to 0, I less than 64, I plus plus. What you have taken is in this case is nothing but, let us see here. Already I have told you why we have taken 64 is nothing but this 8 I have to display. Next is 8. Next is 8, 8, 8. This row also 8, this row also 8, this row also 8. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 8 is 64. 8 8s are 64. That is what the loop will be taken. Int I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 64, I plus plus. Okay. So this is what you have to make one panel to set the locations. Now what you have to do is grid also you have created 8 by 8, 8 by 8. Now you have to only just one is white, one is black, one is white, one is black. You have to fill it and go. That's it. So now let us come here. J panel is equal to JP. So new panel of new border layout. So you have to create the border layouts for that one. So now chessboard dot add JP. So you have to add it this one. Now how you will be adding that one is nothing but int row of I percentage of I divided by 8. I divided by 8 is nothing but initially what will happen 0. 0 by 8 is nothing but 0. 0 by 2 is 0. So next what will happen? That time it will be executing for the color dot y2. Next what will happen? I will become 1. So 1 divided by 8 is nothing but what will happen? Modulus is 1 divided by 8 is how much? 1 divided by 8. 1 divided by 8 is 0 only. 0 mod 2 is nothing but 0 only. So next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to this one is nothing but what will happen is up to 8. So one row is nothing but the 8. So it will be printing white, white, white only. Pixels will be printing one white, 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 white. So always it will be printing white. Next what will happen after 8? 8 by 8 is nothing but 0. So 0 mod 2 is nothing but 0 only. So till that time white will be printed. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. So next in when it will become 9 by 8 is nothing but 1. 1 mod 2, what will happen? 1 mod 2 is nothing but 1. Next to 9, 10, 10 by 8. 10 by 8 also what will happen? 1 only. 11 by 8, 12 by 8, 13 by 8, 14 by 8, 15 by 8, 16 by 8, up to 16 by 8, 16, 17 by 8 also 1 only. So 1 point something you will get integer by integer is integer only, 1 will be taken only, only quotient will be taken, that is called only 1. So till that time, so this condition will become false. Now else part it will go black. So that means what will happen? Up to 8 pixels, it will be white only. So set mode color of I mode 2 is equal to 0, color dot white. So that means 8 pixels will be taken white, 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 white only. So now when it is reaching 8, that means 9. So 9 by 8, that is nothing but the 1. 1 more 2 is nothing but 1. So then it will go to the else part, color dot black. So like this 8 pixels again it will be displaying. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to here 8 is nothing but the white. Next 8 to 16 black. Next 8 to 24. Next is 32. Next is 40. Next is 48. So like this it will be changing black to white, white to black, black to white, white to black. So in that once it is frame you have completed here, there is no frame again, this automatically it will be moved to the next location. So no need to give any /n, all these things it is not required here. Why means the frame already you have set it 8 by 8 only. So once it is completed here, so that frame got over, automatically it will move to the next location. That is nothing but the 8 pixels. You have done it already. Then it will move that one. So again it will go back to the next pixels will be, next grid will be printing. So this is what the chess board way of printing. So 8 by 8, 8 into 8, 64 I have taken. Sir, I want 9 pixels. You go for the 9. So 9 into 8. So normally 8 by 8 is 64. We have taken common equal. No? So 9, 9, if you are taking 9 into 9, 81. So correspondingly, you have to change the values also wherever you are having 8. So that it will be coming bigger one. That's it. So how much size you want based on the pixels you can change it. So 600 by 600 or 300 by 300. So this size is nothing but you can already, I made it visible is true and draggable is true, so that you can enlarge output automatically also. So that is what this we have written it here. So resizable is true. Once you write it this statement, so you can enlarge your program automatically. So that is what the advantage. So set visible is true. This you have to make it. Then only this is visible for us. Otherwise it is not visible. It will be filling and it will be closing. That's it. So we have to make it visible. So this is what the laboratory programs. So I hope I have completed all the programs. File input stream, file output stream, I have told. Java which linked list also over, and write a program data socket server. I have told you now. So now last program is this also I'll finish it up so that laboratory programs we can get over. How many programs? 14 only, no? Let me check it out. So that program is not there, yeah. So only 12 only. 12 programs have completed now. So now only 12 programs are available. So I have completed. I have to delete this program. I'll delete it and send it to you people. Okay, this is not required now. So any doubt, please let me know here. So 12 programs have completed to all 12 programs now. So what you have to do is you have all the code, huh? All programs code you are having. Maithili?
No, sir.
Do you have code?
No, sir.
Okay.
Only 5 to 6 programs they have, sir.
4 to 6 only. So every Saturday's programs, if you download, you will get it. I hope. Huh?
Okay.
Is it required once again program? Huh?
Send this document, sir.
Huh?
Like which now you explaining. Send that, sir.
Okay. Now I'll send it. So you write it because you can buy it. Do you have taken record? All of you?
We are writing in paper.
You have purchased outside record and write it. And when you are coming to college, probably June 1st they are telling. So once you come here, we'll correct it and we'll give the internal continuous evaluation marks directly. Okay. So whenever you are coming to college, come with record. So I'll send it once again this. And for explanation, if you have any doubt, you can go to YouTube channel. You can download it there. So just view that at least once. Okay, so see that one and run the programs. So 1 or 2 client server programs, once you come here, I will run it and I'll show you, because there online it is not possible to run it, and client server program not possible, and packages also, because we have to create wherever you have 3 to 4 files, you need to create it, interfaces and packages. So that programs I couldn't able to run through online. So wherever only single programs are available, already I've executed and I've shown you the output. So all Saturday's videos, if you see it, you can be able to find out. Okay, so my suggestion is you have to read it all laboratory programs properly. Even though 1 or 2, if we are leaving for laboratory exams, fine, but we are 75% only we are keeping, that is fine. But external examination purpose, theory examination purpose, you don't have option, you have to learn all the programs. So once you learn all the programs, it is easy there, external examination, theory exams. So either lab purpose or theory purpose, you have to learn all the programs. But here because university, since university told, so you have to keep only 75% of the programs. 12 divided by 72, 9 programs we can keep it. So 1 or 2 to 3 programs we can keep it, remove it. So remaining programs we have to keep it. So my suggestion is please learn all the programs. Please learn all the programs. Okay, so this is what you have to do it. So any doubts now laboratory, I'll today evening I'll send it, because now I have a meeting. Once if I reach the home evening, I'll send it all the programs to your mail IDs. Please copy it. With output you write it. Output also it is available here. Write it in the record. So mine you complete it. Assignment also whoever submitted, please send it through mail. Whenever you are coming to college, hard copy how to bring it. So my request is all of you write your register numbers. I cannot find out your names, because register numbers, based on register numbers only will be entering the marks. Assignments, you have to write it your register name. Okay. What, Guriya Kumari?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to practice all. Do you have system at home?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But
For the
software is not available.
software is not available. Okay. Online, whatever is able to execute it, you try to execute online compiler using online compiler. So when once you come to college, probably next month they are telling here we'll try to execute the programs, remaining programs.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so all of you, not only Guriya Kumari, what I'm saying is for all the people. So through online, don't copy paste all the programs directly there. You type it, you learn it, you close your book, you type it once again, so that you can learn it. So you practice yourself. Nobody will be there to monitor there. So you have to take care. So if you are executing your programs, if you have any doubt, please let me know that. So next Monday we'll be seeing theory class, that is called 5th unit. As usual, will continue. So now laboratory programs completed. I will send it once again. The two programs I have to remove it, 14 program and second one. So I have done it. I don't know, that file got replaced, I hope, when I am opening. So I will send it that one only. So don't worry. So Java programs completed. Try to complete your record and assignment also. Not only mine, all the subjects, whenever you are getting time, please complete it and make it ready and prepare well for the theory examinations. And as well as the internals also, probably next week it will be there. So time extended, I don't know what they will do, but according to schedule, this week they have planned it. Anyway, they may conduct meeting, department meeting, and then they will decide it. Shall we close now? Shall we close?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.